You're watching FBS Profit Plan for US dollar. My name is Елизавета Belugina. Last week, US dollar strengthened versus commodity currencies, Australian, New Zealand and Canadian dollars. The greenback's rally versus Japanese yen also continued. At the same time, British pound has managed to show weekly gain versus American currency, while euro stabilized. Speculators reduced long US dollar bets in the latest period after lifting them to 50-month peaks. Economic data from the US have so far been mixed. And let's now see what the new week got in store for us. First, pay attention to the American inflation data on Wednesday. The higher inflation is, the sooner is the Fed's rate hike, and the higher will be US dollar. The main event of this week is the meeting of the Federal Reserve, accompanied by the economic forecasts of the FOMC members and their press conference. Indeed, Wednesday is going to be an intense day for US dollar. The last times officials met to set monetary policy was in July. Back then, they based their decision on the June unemployment rate of 6.1%. In July, this indicator rose to 6.2% before sliding to 6.1% in August. So, as you can see, there is no real change since the last FOMC meeting. In addition, jobs growth, or MFP, in the US slowed last month. So, according to a well-known expert on the Fed, John Hilsenrath, who is claimed to have some inside information from the central bank, the pressure on the Fed to change its policy to a more hawkish side in the coming meeting has decreased. Hilsenrath says that the Fed members will be debating for a few months about their view of the labor market and their forward guidance. Tomorrow we'll be watching for two things in the Fed's rhetoric. First is the mention of the significant underutilization of the labor resources, and the second is the reference that the rates remain low for a considerable time after QE ends. These two phrases are negative for US dollar, so traders will watch. Will these phrases stay in the Fed statements this time, or won't they? If these words stay, the advance of the greenback will be limited. If one of them or they both go away, US dollar will get a boost. All in all, the risk is that the Fed sounds more dovish than expected, and still the hawkish members of the FOMC will keep pressure on Yellen, but I think she will want to have some agreement within the central bank. To sum up, our base scenario is that the American currency won't be able to strengthen much and will even weaken. Thank you for watching. Visit fxbazooka.com for more market analysis and forex news.